Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about an Inquisition-era industrial park located, well, the ruins are located just on the outskirts of town you may enjoy going and exploring. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, where you can purchase any of the books in the best-selling series called San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. Today I stumbled upon an Inquisition-era ruin right here in town I'm shocked to not have found before, considering I've actually gone looking for them. In my defense, I've normally scouted the area in cooler fall weather, when plants have received precious rain and are in full defense mode with spurs. No dog walker wants that on their charges. The key is to go explore in the springtime. The local developer that has a reputation for losing interest in his projects only after half-heartedly placing an entrance, an unfinished fountain, and a large sign announcing SMO for Santa Maria Brahe. Today I gambled by one of the never-to-be-finished projects with my pooch and skirted along the Presa Brahe just above the pool area of the Hotel Live Agua, pictured there to the left. The walk was lovely and tranquil, and with the duck-filled lake below and the balconies and the botanical garden above. I was surprised to stumble upon arches I've only seen from a distance above. What are they? On tours of the botanical garden, the area is referred to as the ruins of a chapel. In literature and websites, it's listed as the ruins of a gristmill. It is neither. I've been on enough hikes and tours to recognize the remains of a 1700s tannery. I just had no idea there was one here in town. The nearest I knew of were spectacular ruins, complete with waterfalls. I tour folks in Las Trancas between Dolores Hidalgo and Guanajuato. Granted, in town we don't have waterfalls, but we do have ruins lovely enough to be featured in photos and paintings. I'd verified the ruins were a former tannery with a pal whose grandparents had once owned the land. And not just ruins, there's a descansar, marking where one had their appointment with death. Normally they are found along a highway, railroad, or water, indicating where a loved one spent their last moments on the same plane as you. I've found descanter markers in plenty of odd locations, including mountaintops, where I assumed the deceased had a heart attack on their way up, or were knocked down by lightning from above. Being next to the water made the cause of death obvious, but what baffled me were the markers' dates, indicating a 100-year-old man had died there. Sure, he could have drowned or tumbled off an ark or simply succumbed to old age, but how in God's name did he shuffle back here 3 years ago when he was he was 100 years old? Currently at about half his age, it was a workout. The locations of the ruins has always been a hotbed of activity. Pre-Hispanic finds of tools and ceramics indicate that it was active even then. The oldest map of San Miguel de Allende was drawn in 1580, is of this area and is located in the Madrid Museum. Following use as a tannery, hydraulic waterworks developed to the point that a giant tube that you can see in the above picture in the top corner guided water to generate electricity at the factory that made the white muslin used in tennis sneakers throughout most of the 1900s. Today, the factory is home to high-end art galleries and restaurants called the Fabrico Aurora. Basically, the area has always been an industrial park on the outskirts of town. And now you can go walk back and explore the ruins of another industrial age and then stride the dam that separates a large duck-laden body of water from our most expensive hotels, pools, and tennis courts. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get near-daily notifications of new videos that come out here on the only YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.